Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Chevy Trailblazer and how to change the brake light bulb. It's very easy to do. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do are remove 2 phillips screws. Next, pull out the taillight. And then there's one connector that you have to remove. You just squeeze it and pull it out. And then on the taillight assembly, I'm going to be removing 3 phillips screws. And this is the assembly that's holding my bulbs in place. The top one right here is my brake light bulb. So I'm going to pull it out and replace it with my replacement bulb. Here's my original bad bulb, and here's my new replacement bulb. Install it into place. And then I'm going to install this assembly back with the 3 screws. And now to reinstall the taillight, you just reconnect the wire connector. And then push the taillight assembly back into the car. And then tighten down the 2 phillips screws. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to change the brake light bulb on a Chevy Trailblazer. And if you guys want to see more videos on this Trailblazer, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.